Hello everyone, today's video lecture for standard 7th chapter number 4 and that is heat, right? So without wasting time we are going further that what is the topic today we are going to cover, that is heat. Second, what is temperature? Then there are two types of thermometer. Distinguish between these two type of thermometer. Now today we are going to explore what is heat. Let me tell what is heat. When the temperature rises, we start sweating, right, and feeling hotness. Heat is extremely practiced when the sun is above of us. Fine. So I have here a table. You have to identify the hot and cold objects, right? As you are able to see in first image there is the cold drink or juice is there. In second it means that is cold thing. In second pic there is ice cream, again a cold object. In third pic that is a bonfire, that is the example of hot object. In fourth image that is hot tea or coffee is there, right? So again it is a hot object. In fifth, it's a yummy pizza. I like pizza so much. I think you all, right? So again it is a smoking pizza, it means hot should be. And last in image there is a 4 cubes of ice, right? So it is the example of cold object, right? So there are some objects that we are using in our day to day life that can be we identify or that can be identified the sensation, right? Like feeling के through हमें पता चल जाता है कि the particular object is hot or cold, right? So but in all cases it is not possible that we can understand that what is that particular object is hot or cold. So first topic that we are going to start, that is what is heat. Heat is a form of energy which causes the sensation of hotness and coldness, right? Again I am repeating, heat is a form of energy which causes the sensation of hotness or coldness. Heat energy can be used to do work, right? Heat energy can be used to do work. It means we can say heat is a form of the sensation which causes heat is the energy which causes the sensation of hotness and coldness, right? So that is the definition of the heat. Next, on heating an object become hotter. किसी भी चीज़ को अगर हम हीट दे रहे हैं ऑब्वियसली इसका टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज होगा, वो पर्टिकुलर चीज़ भी आपको that particular thing will be create hot, right? So that particular thing become hotter and object if lose heat, जैसे उसका हीट का प्रेशर कम होने लगेगा it becomes cool. Fine. So next topic that we are going to explain, that is temperature. A reliable measure of hotness of an object is its temperature, or we can say the degree of the hotness of an object is its temperature, right? What do you mean by temperature? Temperature is a degree of the hotness of particular object which we are going to measure its temperature. So उस पर्टिकुलर ऑब्जेक्ट की डिग्री को मेज़र करना, उसकी हॉटनेस को मेजर करना, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड टेम्परेचर. टेम्परेचर can be measured by a device that is called thermometer. Temperature can be measured by a particular device that is called thermometer, right? If we talk about measuring of body temperature, so here we can say to measure the body temperature we have to use clinical thermometer. Which thermometer? We have to use clinical thermometer. I already told that there are two types of thermometer. One is clinical thermometer that is used to measure the body temperature, and another one that we are using at the laboratories. So such type of thermometer is called laboratory thermometer, right? And so in first topic that we are going to explain, that is clinical thermometer, right? So here I have a question, that what is the reason why, what is the need of the thermometer, right? क्यों हम थर्मामीटर को यूज़ कर रहे हैं? बिकॉज आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड बाय दिस फर्स्ट इमेज, बाय दिस फर्स्ट figure that only few are the objects that we can say that by sensation, causes sensation, we can say that particular object is hot or cold. But in all cases it is not possible to understand such type of thing. To understand such type of term, we have to do an activity, right? So for perform this activity, we have to take 3 types of mug, as you are able to see in this way. So in first mug I have put cold water, in second figure I have put hot water, and in third pic I have put some hot or some cold water, right? So now I am putting my right hand in a mug that is having cold water. I putting my dip my left hand in mug B that is having hot water, right? And in C mug that is having hot and cold water. So after taking my first hand, that is right hand, from the cold water, and after taking out my second hand, that is left hand, from hot water, now I am keep dipping my both hands in mug C, right? What I am doing, I am dipping my both hands in mug C, in which some hot water is there and some also cold water is there. Now what will we observe? We will observe, do the both hand get the same feeling? दोनों हैंड्स को अगर मैं मग सी में पोर कर डिप कर रही हूँ, सो व्हाट विल हैपन? डू द बोथ हैंड गेट सेम फीलिंग? नो, absolutely not. We cannot always rely on our sense of touch to decide whether an object is hot or cold, right? We cannot always rely on our senses of touch to decide whether an object is hot or cold, right? So sometimes it may deceive us, right? Always it is not perfect result will be there. So to avoid that such type of result, to know our proper temperature of our body, we have to use device that named by thermometer. So here come to again come to the particular topic that we are going to discuss, that is clinical thermometer. First we are going to explain about clinical thermometer. As you are able to see, here is a glass tube. You are able to see one glass tube is there. Red point, that is called king. That is called king. And at the top of the thermometer, one bulb is there where mercury is stored, right? One bulb is there where mercury is stored. Then red point you are able to see, that is king. King is used to prevent backflow of mercury. King is used, Sg means mercury, full form of Sg, that is mercury. So to prevent backflow of mercury, the king is used, right? What is the use of the king? Prevent backflow of mercury from the bulb, because bulb is the place where mercury is already stored, right? Next we have talked about glass tube. One glass tube, narrow glass tube होता है. Uniform glass tube which has capillary tube in which mercury runs. In mid you are able to see one black capillary tube is also, thin tube is also there where mercury runs. It has a bulb at one end of it connected with the capillary tube connected with a bulb where mercury is there. And the scale we use in the Celsius scale indicate by C. Always clinical thermometer indicates Celsius. Celsius का short form we can say degrees C. As you are able to see in next picture, there is degree C. C it means Celsius. So clinical thermometer always range indicate by degree C, right? But in some of the other common area that around our world, they are using the measurement, for measurement purpose the unit is used, that is Fahrenheit degree F. As you are able to see in figure, Fahrenheit short form, that is degree F, and Celsius short form unit that we are using in our country in clinical thermometer, that is degree C, indicated by degree C, right? So generally Clinical thermometer range of the temperature is from 35 to 42 degree. In clinical thermometer, the range of the temperature is from 35 to 42 degree, but because human's body temperature always in between of 35 to 42 degree. If we talk about normal temperature of a person, that could be 36.9, that could be 36.9 degree, or in Fahrenheit we can say it should be 98.6 degree. In Fahrenheit, if we talk about in Fahrenheit, so it could be 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. Is it okay? Till here are you all are understanding? Till here all are understanding? Fine. Moving further, next topic, hand is a not reliable method always for judging whether object is hot or cold. That I already explained, that hand is not always reliable, that is not a reliable method to judge the particular object is hot or cold. So what are their reasons? First reason, you cannot touch everything with your hand. ऑब्वियसली दैट थिंग वी नो वेरी वेल, हर एक चीज़ को हम टच नहीं कर सकते, और बाय टचिंग वी कांट say that particular range, what is that particular object's range. Fine. And second point, it does not give you accurate result. Obvious, we cannot say that particular thing how much it is hot or how much it is cold. So some particular figure is there, that unit we are using, that is Celsius. By Celsius, degree Celsius, we can say that particular objects this much range is of particular object. Then third, it misleads you also sometime. That I already explained by the activity that we are told, that हमेशा हमें ये such answer result दे, that is also not possible. So hand is not proper way to judgment that particular object is hot or cold, right? Next topic, how to use thermometer. We already explained about the structure of the thermometer, how thermometer looks, what is that range, what is its range, why it is used and where it is used. Now the topic, how to use a thermometer. So first of all, how to use a thermometer? For that we can say wash the thermometer with preferably an antiseptic solution. किससे हमें वॉश करना है? हमेशा थर्मोमीटर को यूज़ करने के बाद we have to use antiseptic solution to wash the thermometer. Second, before taking the temperature, give few jugs shake to bring down the level of mercury below 35 degree. That already we know that particular any person's body temperature is between 35 to 42 degrees Celsius, right? But बिफोर टेकिंग द किसी भी पर्सन का टेम्परेचर लेने के बाद हमें उसको प्रॉपरली जग कर लेना है, शेक कर लेना है, ताकि वो मर्क्यूरी अपने लेवल पे आ जाए. बिफोर गोइंग टू यूज़ टू एनी, बिफोर गोइंग टू परफॉर्म, बिफोर गोइंग टू यूज़ दैट पर्टिकुलर थर्मोमीटर टू एनी अदर्स मेजरिंग टेम्परेचर ऑफ एनी अदर्स बॉडी टेम्परेचर मेजरिंग. Fine. So what we have to do before using, we have to jerk or shake it properly, right? Third point that we have to use, that is the place the thermometer beneath your tongue for about 1 or 2 seconds. To measure the body temperature, what we have to do, we have to keep the thermometer beneath your tongue के नीचे, like that, for 1 or 2 minutes. Then take it out and observe the temperature reading the thermometer. उसको बाहर निकालना है और टेम्परेचर को मेज़र लाइक दैट यू आर एबल टू सी दैट मर्क्यूरी पॉइंट कहाँ पे जाके स्टॉप हो रहा है. ऑब्वियस इट वो 35 to 42 डिग्री सेल्सियस के बीच में स्टॉप होगा. रीड इट बाय कीपिंग द लेवल ऑफ मर्क्यूरी अलोंग द लाइन ऑफ साइट. हमारी आइस के एकदम क्रॉस में सामने रखना है और हमें देखना है वहाँ कहाँ पे जाके वो लाइन मर्क्यूरी की स्टॉप हो रही है. बाय दिस वे वी कैन रीड द थर्मोमीटर्स एग्जैक्टली बॉडी टेम्परेचर. नेक्स्ट, वाई 35 to 42 डिग्री रेंज है ना? क्यों थर्मोमीटर में 35 से 42 डिग्री रेंज के बीच में क्यों होता है? So I already explained that average temperature of human body is 37 degree, or we can say 36.9 degrees Celsius or 37 degrees Celsius, or in Fahrenheit it always comes 98.6 degree Fahrenheit of average temperature. It means normal person's body temperature, it should be like, it is always comes in between 37 or 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. द टेम्परेचर ह्यूमन बॉडी नॉर्मली डज नॉट गो बिलो, कभी भी वो 35 से बिलो नहीं जाएगा, 42 से अप नहीं जाएगा. इसीलिए ह्यूमन बॉडी टेम्परेचर को मेज़र करने के लिए जो केमिकल थर्मोमीटर का टेम्परेचर रेंज होता है ऑलवेज इट कम्स इन 35 to 42 डिग्री. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, वाई किंक. आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड दैट kink is the place where it used to prevent the flow back of the mercury के flow को back को stop करने के लिए use होता है. So kink is present to prevent the flow of mercury back to the bulb when thermometer is removed from patient's mouth. जब थर्मोमीटर को पेशेंट के माउथ से रिमूव करते हैं तो वो किस यूज़ में, किंक का क्या यूज़ होता है कि वो मर्क्यूरी को वापस बल्ब में इंक्रीज राइज होने से स्टॉप कर देता है, प्रिवेंट कर देता है, ताकि हम हमारा रीडिंग जो हमने बॉडी टेम्परेचर को मेज़र किया है उसका रीडिंग प्रॉपरली कर पाएँ. Right? So to read it properly, to read the particular patient's body temperature, the kink is used to prevent the flow of mercury back to the below. जब तक हम उसको शॉक नहीं करेंगे, जब तक हम इसको जर्क नहीं करेंगे, तब तक मर्क्यूरी अपने प्लेस से मूव नहीं होगा. राइट? सो किंक का क्या यूज़ हुआ, मर्क्यूरी के फ्लो को बैक जाने से स्टॉप कर देना. इट हेल्प अस रीड द टेम्परेचर ऑफ पेशेंट्स एक्यूरेटली. सो किंक इज ऑलवेज हेल्पफुल. नेक्स्ट, हाउ थर्मोमीटर वर्क्स. अब थर्मोमीटर वर्क कैसे कर रहा है ना, एज यू आर एबल टू सी इन दिस फिगर, ईच डिवीजन 0.1 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड. हाउ वुड वी से दैट, बिकॉज सी इन 35 to 36 के बीच में अगर हम काउंटिंग करेंगे, देयर आर 10 small लाइन्स. राइट, there are 10 small lines. So by reading what we have to do, 1/10. 35 से 36 के बीच में 1 नंबर का डिफरेंस है, so we can write 1 divide by 10. It means each division could be 0.1 degree Celsius. Right? So what happened generally? From the top of the thermometer, heat from our body, हमारी बॉडी से हीट जाता है. कहाँ पे, जो हमने टंग के बीनीथ में रखा थर्मोमीटर को, वो कहाँ पे क्रॉस आउट हो रहा है, इट कुड बी क्रॉस आउट इनटू बल्ब ऑफ थर्मोमीटर. देन व्हाट विल हैपन एट द टाइम, मर्क्यूरी एक्सपांड, मर्क्यूरीज वॉल्यूम विल बी expand and mercury will rise. As mercury will rise, we can read our body temperature accurately. Fine. So here till here we have talked about clinical thermometer. Next topic that we have, that next type of the thermometer, that is laboratory thermometer. So laboratory thermometer used in the lab, generally it is used only in lab to measure the milk, water or other chemicals. Right? It's used to measure milk, water, boiled water or any chemicals. Right? So and generally maximum temperature, जैसे as we talked about in clinical thermometer, its temperature range is 35 to 42 degrees Celsius, but it is larger in size than clinical thermometer. The reason is that comes always minimum temperature -10 degrees centigrade and maximum temperature is measured 110 degree centigrade. So it always larger from the size. And second thing, by this laboratory thermometer we cannot measure our body temperature. Right? We cannot measure our body temperature, but it is used only for measuring milk and any other liquid or chemicals in thermometer. As I told you, again this is same glass tube is there. Inside one thinner capillary tube that is connected with bulb. Same with as in clinical thermometer we have read it. Now for example, if we are going to measure temperature of hot water, temperature of hot water with a laboratory thermometer. What to do? We have to keep the thermometer in beaker. We have to keep the thermometer in beaker or after hot water, right? Or after some time we will get what is the temperature of that particular hot water, right? So here, as you are able to see, temperature is measured and it is 80 degree centigrade. It means जहाँ पे जाके mercury का line stop, red line stop हो जाएगा, till that we can say that particular object's temperature what is there. So here hot water temperature is showing 80 degree centigrade. Next, one fact is there that I want to discuss with you. Generally mercury, as we know that in clinical thermometer mercury is used. Mercury का बहुत ज़्यादा रोल होता है, अच्छा खासा mercury is playing important role in the clinical thermometer, right? So nowadays what is happening? Instead of clinical thermometer, one digital thermometer is used where mercury is not necessary. Mercury is a toxic substance and is very difficult to dispose. As we know, mercury is very poisonous. Toxic means toxic, it means poisonous or fatal. Fatal means cause disease, cause death. मर्क्यूरी एक ऐसा सब्सटेंस है जिसके कारण डेथ हो सकती है. इन विच कंडीशन? व्हेन सपोज आपका ग्लास का बना हुआ है क्लिनिकल थर्मोमीटर, है ना. सो व्हाट विल हैपन? सपोज इट left by our hand, it will break, right? And at that time mercury will be disposed here and there, and it is very much harmful, or we can say it is poisonous, or we can say due to this poisonous substance we can come in the category in very fatal disease, or it cause death. Sometimes it causes death also. So to stop, to prevent or to avoid mercury, nowadays one digital thermometer is used in market or everywhere. Or nowadays we are seeing one more temperature gun is seeing, है ना, to measure the COVID-19 such coronavirus, right? To measure the temperature of particular body, है ना. तो such kind of devices are also used nowadays in market, and it's why we are using such kind of devices to stop, because mercury is a toxic substance, very difficult to dispose. To stop this mercury, we are using nowadays digital thermometer. So till here we have completed the almost half portion of this chapter. In next lecture we will discuss about the remaining part of this chapter. Till that, goodbye, take care, bye everyone. Sir.